Yeah, turn me up though. Yeah, come on. Anyway, 1, 2, what you gonna do? 2, 3, what it's gonna be? Come on now, get.
Come on now.
Let me hear.
Yeah. Yo, provoke emotions when I'm boasting and bragging. Just imagine gun clapping, linguistic assassin. About to shake the world up, slam it to the flow bus. You heard of us, real niggas, we blow the world up and bump the planet. Take it for granted when I manage with that home team advantage. Automatic, rhyme bandit, about to hand it. Cause you cram to understand it when I land it. Open-handed, I'm a transatlantic slave. With that old black magic, got to have it from the demo to the master. Some brothers try to strike, but like the fire of disaster, I'm the chainsaw massacre. Rain, raw, acid dust. Downshift, pump your brakes, ease off the clutch. We fuck it up when we can duck, load your pistol up, put this verbal dick in your mouth until I bust a nut. And let this jam tell you who the fuck I am. Original black man from Nabalali, Sudan. It's like that, y'all. So go ahead and get up. This is the future sound.
Without further ado,
You don't see us, but we see you.
Either you're here to teach or you're here to be taught. If you don't plan to get away, then you plan to get caught. I was born to win, that's why I run, don't walk. South Central MC, what the fuck you thought?
I set my first verse up, similar to a stakeout. The minute that they break out, they send Jake out. But I'm super laxative and I don't need no practice, kid. You're probably wondering what track this is.
So carry on with that twisted ass street rap. I ride for peace, but I will contradict that and bitch slap any rapper that act like you really want it. I'ma hand him his hat.
So act like you want it, but don't get loud. And you haven't seen the style this vivid in a while.
I rebel cause I'm a rebel. My education and rhythm is on a higher level. Smash to the dust settle.
Like that, y'all. So go ahead and get up. This is the future sound. Without further ado,
You don't see us, but we see you.
Yes, y'all. Like test, y'all. Freestyle lyrics being thrown straight at y'all. And we hype so, and we might just flow from the get-go.
Hey, yo, Soup, let him know.
I'm one of the last cats.
That's right.
Putting the flavor back in the rap and make your sunroof straight to your cap. Now the original black. Now watch how the herds react. I play the block where I learn to rap. Ain't nothing to it. I keep the wordplay fluid and tone and run through it like the Emperor Jones. The inventor of poems and limericks, outstanding pitch. Regardless if you're feeling my shit, yo, I stay prime. And plus I'm never outdated in time. I break atoms from the way that I rhyme. Now I created the line with no miscues, fake no moves. So here's the rhyme I couldn't wait to use. I represent and put the pressure on your local event and drop heavy when the vocal commence to hit you with the hits. From the colonial prince, the master of the ceremonial, it's like that, y'all. So go ahead and get up. This is the future sound. Without further ado,
You don't see us, but we see you.
Yes, y'all. Like test, y'all. Freestyle lyrics being thrown straight at y'all. And we hype so, and we might just flow